BeautyForever hair has stepped it up. Y'all don't notice. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForever Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. And let me just say, this is a winner Kie made dinner, okay? Because I ate, you hear me? Do you see how this wig looks on me? Gluelessly. Listen, no glue. It's a closure wig. Go ahead and grab that card. Now, before I show you guys how I got this unit from A to Slay, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes from BeautyForever Hair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. This is going to be a very beginner friendly install for everybody because we styling this wig after the wash. Okay, after the wash, y'all thought I was going to say out the pack, didn't you? Gotcha. We got the Burmese curly 24-inch 7x5 closure unit, and y'all, she comes real nice. Y'all see that hairline? Huh? Y'all see how good that looks? And that lace look good too. What kind of lace is this? This looks like that HD lace. It feels real thin, not too thick. This is gonna melt down real nice, I can tell. Let me go ahead and just get this wig ready. I quite literally have 38 minutes to get this wig on my head, makeup done, and finish this video. Listen. I work well under pressure. I'm gonna go in and tint my lace using my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm gonna use a mixture as always of that contour and sculpt shade. A little bit of this and a little of that, and I'm gonna tap that or brush that around the edge of the lace. I don't really care to go into the actual parting space of the lace because I don't know how I'm gonna part it. More than likely I'm gonna keep it in the middle part, but you know, if I decide to shift that bad boy, I can just define my part after I do that. So I don't care to waste product all over the lace. I used to do that. I learned my lesson. This wig does come with the security. You get the upgraded attached elastic band that is adjustable, as well as the comb in the back and the lockable drawstring. I'm gonna leave the elastic band where it is and adjust it if need be, but I should be fine because I have that drawstring and I don't want to get concussed while I'm trying to be cute. Oh, that lace is real soft. Oh my gosh, that's like baby soft. What kind of lace is this? Like, that is soft. All right, let me clip this up so I can tighten down my drawstring in the back. Where are my claw clips? I find them and it's right there in my face. See, I'm about to start fussing. I got it. Y'all see how that melts down? Just a little bit of product. The fact that this is so soft on my skin like this, ooh, chow. Tighten it down, lock it in place, and tuck up the excess. I'm using my Nairobi mousse on my hairline. This is a mold, not a hold. That drawstring in the back should be doing the holding for you, but in conjunction with, function, it will help hold it in place. But if you pull this joint, it's gonna come right off your head. I'm gonna swirl up my edges. I like this for everybody. Yeah. I don't even know how that look, y'all, because I did that in the dark. Y'all know I can't see without my glasses. I need to just define these curls a bit. I don't want that. I'm gonna use this Mousse Def, the Dew Mousse Def foam. I had stopped using it because the nozzle was broken, but I guess it decided to fix itself. So I'm just gonna put that on there. I may need to cut some of this hair. I did get some shedding during the wash, no tangling though, and I'm not getting any tangles now. I am getting some snags towards the end, but they're brushing through. Let's see where I want my curls or my layers to be. That's what I want to do. And then I'm just going to layer the rest off of that. So I'm going to start here, and just work our way down like that. Now I can add the mousse. Bring it down. Back in with the mousse. This pump has been difficult to use ever since I got it. This does come with the finger coils on the end, but you know, once you wash the unit, those are pretty much done. So you need to go back and put those in there for yourself. Pop that on there. I'm gonna alternate between warm and cool with my diffuser to blow dry the hair down about 95%, and then I'm gonna take the blow dryer off and blow dry on cool to give it more of like a fluffy look to finish it out. Making good time, making good time. Let's fluff this hair. I didn't tell y'all, but we are doing WD2Fs. We already washed, okay? We defined with the mousse, okay? Then we diffused, and then we're gonna, you know, fluff. So last step here, take my pick, kind of break up some of that product. It is a little crunchy on the top here, not as much in the back though. I wish the front kind of mimicked what happened back here, but it's okay. That's all right. I could spray it down with some water and kind of loosen that a bit if I wanted to, but I'm not right now. As I wear this unit, it will, the product will loosen up. Now with me fluffing this hair or picking through the hair, I could potentially create tangles in my unit. You're literally putting a comb in some hair and then yanking it down. So just imagine you're detangling your hair to that point. The rest of that, it just kind of sits. So even though it will give you that fullness and that fluffiness, as you wear the hair, where you did not rake the comb through, it will start to mat around that area. That's where you get the tangling and, you know, excess shedding from when you go in to wash your wig again. Make sure that when you are detangling your unit, you detangle from the tip to the root. Pull it out, pull it out. It's not gonna be like super fluffy because again, this is a Burmese curly. Still fluffing. Take my blow dryer on cool and high and blow dry through the hair one more time. Now, something to also note, some of us do complain about the nape of our wig, how it mats and tangles, and that's where most of your, you know, shedding comes from because it's all like knotted up in there. Please understand, friction. When your hair is rubbing against the back of your clothes or the back of your neck, it's pretty much rubbing that hair into a knot. My neck and my wig creates friction like my thighs. When I wear leggings and my thighs be burning when I be walking, get those little BDBs on the middle of my thigh. You know what I'm saying? Okay, just think about that when it comes to your hair. Your hair is moving back and forth, back and forth. You're turning your head. This isn't moving. This is moving. So if I keep doing this, what's gonna happen? Class, you know what I'm saying? It won't start a fire back there, but it will create some tangles. To loosen up my tangles, I use my light silk spray. This little bad boy right here, like that, rub it in and then rake my finger through to get it out. Okay, I don't really have any right now because again, I just put the wig on, but as I wear this wig throughout the, you know, throughout the day, it will get some friction in there. So tonight when I take it off, I can spray it down with this. I can use a little bit of water and leave-in conditioner to loosen that back up. You don't gotta buy a new wig. You can take care of the wig that you already have with a couple easy steps. Make sure you check out my wig update playlist. I show you guys how I rock my wigs after the review. Oh, and my vlogs, I show them in there as well. My wig shifted back. That's okay, I'm gonna fix it. Take off this band. Hairline looks great. Just gotta put my wig back down where it was. Let me make sure my hairline is open the way I want. Pull some of that out. The hair comes out very easily on that frontal. Pretty sure this is a bye-bye notch unit, so just be careful with that, what you're pulling and you're tugging, okay? Let's cut that off and cut this off. I'm just going to do a little bit of my Eco Styler. Kind of keep it in place. Take my volume hairspray. Spray it around the front. Okay. Hold it. Bring it up. I can tighten down my drawstring one more again. Do a little powder in my parting space just to kind of brighten that up a little bit. I'm using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze. Pop it right in there like that. Let me flip my hair over. Just make sure I get all the fluffiness I can get out of it. Fluff, 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 fluff. Okay, now we're done. Yeah. Here is the final look. Do y'all see that shine? This wig is gorgeous. BeautyForever Hair has stepped it up. Y'all don't notice. Now this is supposed to be 150% density. It feels a little bit thicker than that. I didn't measure this one, but I will. So make sure you check my pinned comment and I will tell you what this density is. That shine is just, ooh, so pretty. And look at that side. Let me show you what my hairline is. Y'all see that lace is right there, but I'm right there. See how that blended? That actually looks better than my natural hairline. That looks fantastic. It looks great. No complaints. Ooh. Oh wait, I washed it. Yeah. For 24 inches, this is about 214. But you know, my sweet spot for curly wigs is about 16 to 20. So 16, 18, 20. So if you don't need this much hair, you can go ahead and shorten this bad boy up and still get a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous look. Hold up. I did a little pin back look so y'all can see how that lace is looking. And child, do y'all see this lace on me? Look at that hairline. If you watch my wig update playlist, I show you guys that I practice low manipulation on my wigs, especially my curly ones, because I want to extend the lifespan of these units, especially for my fast fashion units. You know, the ones, the hair quality may not be the greatest or the highest, but the construction of the wig is, you know, is on point. And this wig fits in that category. You will most likely get shedding on this unit, but if you extend the time in between your washes, it will help. You may have more matting and tangling with the look, but curly wigs are more forgiving. Now, if you are someone who wants their wig to look like this every single time you put it on, just understand you will decrease the lifespan of your unit because you will be washing, detangling, and adding product to that hair every single time you wear it. Y'all know for the melanated girls, we can't even wash our hair every single day. It's not good for us, okay? It's not good for your wig either. Somebody may tell you different. I'm saying for me, y'all be asking why my wigs last so long. This is why. I have no complaints whatsoever. Do you? But should you? Listen. Shout out one more time to BeautyForever Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.